Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NETH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Fuki. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the question today on permutation. It says, if, we have a k permutation 2 is equal to 72, we are asked to find the value of what k. So how do we solve this simple problem? Alright, solution. The first thing is we want to recall our permutation formula. Well, if we have n permutation r, it means n factorial divided, we subtract these two, n minus r factorial. Okay, where our n factorial means we have n multiply n minus 1, multiply n minus 2, multiply n minus 3 factorial, and so it goes. So we are going to apply this on this. So also, let's write k permutation 2, which is equal to 72. Now this part is going to be, we are going to express it in this form. So I'll write k factorial, divide, we subtract this 2 like we did here. So we have a k minus 2 factorial. Okay. Now in this case, we are going to express k factorial in this form. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to use k to multiply what? K minus 1. Okay. Now, the next will be k minus 2. Okay. But I'm going to stop at k minus 2 since we have k minus 2 at the denominator. Okay. So we have k minus 2 factorial divided by what? K minus 2 factorial. Alright. Remember, if you're given a number, let's say 5 factorial, it means what? 5 multiply 5 minus 1 multiply 5 minus 2 factorial, which is like saying 5 times what? This is 4 times what? This is what? 3 factorial. So it is that idea we have applied to this what situation, where you keep subtracting 1 from this number while you're multiplying the answers. Alright, so I've gotten that we can now simplify further. Alright, so this will cancel out this, we have it 1, 1. So on this part we have k multiply k minus 1 is equals to what? 72. So we can now expand the bracket and solve for the value of k. So expanding the bracket, we have k is going to multiply k, which is k squared, and k is going to multiply minus 1, which is minus what? K is equals to what? 72. Now, what's our next step? We are going to subtract 72 from both sides. So I have k squared minus k minus 72 is equals to 72. Okay, minus what? 72. So 72 minus 72 is going to give us 0 on this side. So we have k squared minus k minus 72 is equals to 0. So what can we observe with this? We have what? The quadratic what? Equation. So we are going to use any method to solve the quadratic equation, but in this case, I'm going to use factorization method. Now, for factorization method, all we need to do is we want to, okay, let's bring out the values of A, B, C. A is the coefficient here, so A is 1. B is what? The coefficient of K here, so which is minus 1. And C is what? Minus 72. Next thing is you want to multiply A times C, so A times C is going to give us what? 1 times what? 1 times minus 72, which is equals to minus 72. Now, having gotten that, we now have to solve the quadratic equation in such a way that our minus k is represented with what? 2 factors. Okay, so let's see, and the factors must come from what? A multiplied by c, which we have as minus 72. Now, we have it as k squared, okay? Alright, for 72, the two numbers we can use to get minus 1 is minus 9, okay? And what? Minus, okay, plus 8. But we are going to add k to this and k to this, so that we have minus 9k plus 8k is going to give us minus k. Then we have minus 72, which is equals to 0. All right, so with that, we can now, factor out this part and this part. Okay, so let's factor out what's common here is k. So I'm going to divide this by k, and I'm going to divide 9k by k. Okay, then we have here, okay, 8 is common, so I have plus 8. I'm going to divide 8k by 8 and minus 72 by 8. Let's cancel out this. We'll cancel 1 here, so we have k into k. K will cancel k here, so we have minus 9 left. Then we have plus 8 into 8 will cancel 8, so we have k minus. This will cancel, this is 9, so we have 9 is equals to 0. Now, for factor this again, this is common. So we have k minus 9 out here. Now, if we divide all this by k minus 9, we'll be left with what? K. Now, if we divide all this by k minus 9, we'll be left with what? Plus what? 8. And when you're solving quadratic, when you have an expression like this, it simply means this can be 0 or this can be 0. So we are going to equate those in brackets individually as equivalent or equal to 0. Because if I have this as 0 times this is going to give me 0. If I have this as 0 times this is going to give me 0. So what it means is we have k minus 9 is equals to 0, or we have k plus 8 is equals to 0. Now from this we can now find the value of k. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. Since we have negative, we are going to put plus 9. And we also have 0 plus 9. Here, since we have positive, we are going to put what? Minus 8. Okay, so we have 0 minus 8. Alright, so this gives us minus 9 plus 9 is going to give us 0. So k is left is equal to 0 plus 9 is 9. Or here we have plus 8 minus 8 is going to give us 0. So k plus 0 is k. And we have minus 8. Now, having looked at the answers we've gotten, we see that the value of k is either 9 or what? Minus 8. So the best value for k in this situation is 9. So we have it as what? 9. Okay, permutation 2 is going to give us what? 72. You can check this to see if 9 permutation 2 gives us 72. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to somebody. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.